Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to withdraw funds from your Bybit account. So to do this you have two primary options: withdrawing fiat currencies to your bank account or transferring cryptocurrencies to an external wallet. Here's a step-by-step guide. First of all, know that Bybit supports various fiat currencies and payment methods for withdrawals. Here's how to do it. Step 1: Access withdrawal section. On the Bybit app, navigate assets, withdraw, and fiat. On the Bybit website, go to buy crypto and fiat deposits. Step 2: Select fiat currency. Choose the fiat currency you wish to withdraw. Step 3: Enter withdrawal details. Input the amount you wish to withdraw. Select your preferred payment method. That is, it could be SCPA, Swift, Zen.com, PRX. Step 4: Verify identity. Ensure you have completed identity verification level 1. For higher withdrawal limits, consider completing identity verification level 2. Step 5: Add withdrawal account. If you haven't previously deposited using the selected payment method, you need to make a first deposit to add your bank account for both deposit and withdrawal. Step 6: Confirm withdrawal. Review all details for accuracy. Enter your email address and Google two-factor authentication code. Tap on confirm to initiate the withdrawal. Please note, the actual arrival time of funds depends on the processing time of your bank or service provider. Now, withdrawing cryptocurrencies this is for on-chain withdrawal. To transfer cryptocurrency to an existing wallet, you need to navigate to the withdrawal section that is on the Bybit app. Go to Assets and Withdraw. While on the Bybit website, click on Assets and Withdraw. Now, choose the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Input the recipient's wallet address, select the appropriate blockchain network, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. If the wallet address is not previously verified, you need to complete email verification and Google two-factor authentication. Review all details for accuracy. Enter your phone password and the verification code. Click on confirm to initiate the withdrawal. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your funding account and that the recipient's wallet supports the selected cryptocurrency and network. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.